Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo Di Mattia, manager of Hedge Invest Sibilla Macro Fund. Wanted to tell you what we have done in March and give you the outlook for the next few months. March was a positive month for us, almost 2% net for the investor. We held positions in cyclicals and reopening trades, hotel, casinos, aerospace. For example, they all worked pretty well, and we hedged these positions by shorting Nasdaq and S&P at key levels and tactically. Overall, the portfolio worked pretty well. We had a setback in the second half of the month because reopening trades started to correct a little bit, and there's been increasing cases in Brazil and India, and vaccinations in Europe have been a little slower than expected. But we think that we're confident that the vaccination program will accelerate the number of new vaccines that have been approved globally, and there will be actually soon oversupply of vaccines. We're monitoring the fact that some people will not get vaccinated. They're skeptical of the vaccine, but we don't think that in the end it will be a significant portion of the population. And we do think this virus is going away. So we still remain positioned to exploit the next up leg and reopening and cyclicals, which we don't think is over yet. But at the same time, we will hedge tactically in the areas that might suffer from higher rates, higher bond yields, and the reflation trade, and maybe even a dollar rally. The market has been continued to rally. We are obviously worried about valuations, especially in technology, which again went back to the highs, and that's an area we will use to hedge and short to protect the portfolio from a very likely correction before the summer starts. But overall, we believe there is probably another quarter of upside for stocks in general, although there will be corrections within sectors. But the economic recovery, although largely priced in a lot of areas, will still surprise on the upside in our view, especially in the States, because of the savings and the stimulus that's enormous. And Europe will lag, but will still have the same path. Later this year, probably from June, July, depending on how fast the market completely priced in the reopening, we expect actually a much bigger correction to start. We're talking about at least 15 to 20%. But by then, we plan to get much lighter in terms of positioning, even in the cyclicals, and get a bearish exposure, especially in futures, long precious metals, and along the dollar. But it's still a bit early for that. Thank you very much.